Hello everyone, my name is Vinay. Today I'm going to share with you how to make money on TikTok. If you've been on social media for more than 1 month, 2 months, a year, and you haven't understood how to make money through TikTok, so today I'm going to share with you, it's going to be one of your source of income, one of the side hustle whereby you can create content and make some cash. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, or if you're the first time to see this face, kindly I beg you to subscribe right now to my YouTube channel. Just press subscribe now and make sure you like this video, comment down. So today I'm gonna share with you 5 ways that can help you to make money through TikTok. TikTok has been now more popular and just see everyone create account there, and it's crazy. It's not like the way Instagram is, I can say, because it's just a matter of a night you can find you have more followers. If you can make a video which can go popular and people gonna like it, it's just a matter of overnight you can have more followers, which is quite a difference with Instagram. So these are some of the side hustles of what can help you exactly to make money on TikTok. Number 1 is going live and collect some donation from your viewers. This is happening whereby you have at least 1,000 followers or more than that. It depends. It doesn't matter how many followers you have. So your followers can give you donation of coin, whereby if they like you, they like your content, you make them happy, they like how you dancing, anything that you're going to do, maybe you teach them about something, then they can appreciate you by give you some coins. They can give you some coins. Sometimes I saw people that just ask, guys, make sure if you like this, make sure you can send coins. So people that are making money like that, so you just need to take those coins and you convert them to gold to dollars, then they can pay you through your PayPal account. So what you're supposed to do is to create your PayPal account so that you can be able to receive amount of money like that. I saw most of people doing that and make good decent of money. So make sure you click something like that, you go live and you collect. If you go live every day, then per week you can create good amount of money, as long as your viewers can really like you, can like the content. So it's like instead of liking, they can just appreciate by giving you those coins, so you can probably make decent of money. So guys, make sure you do that. Number 2 is go live and sell some product. So if you have your own website whereby you sell your own product, or you have Shopify, anything that you give out to the site, you sell it. So that is good platform whereby you can sell more, or you can increase your sales to your website. What you're supposed to do is to go live and describe each of your products and explain everything about the products, making people aware and attract more people about your product. So if it is skincare, if it's clothes, if it's anything, if it's electronic, just explain people, let people understand it. Then you can put your link there down on TikTok. It's allowed whereby you can put your link. So when you're still on the live, you can stay live for 1 hour, 30 minutes, it depends with you, or more than that, whereby people can just go and buy through that. So you can just send people. Sometimes when you go to live, people can just, oh, I like that product, so like, okay, this is a link, you can just go. So people they purchase where you are live. So probably you can increase more income to a website, and more people they're doing that nowadays. So they just make review, because people they need to understand more about your product, and sometimes they need to see you are using it. So this is more attraction whereby you can make decent of money. After end your life, you can just look how many people that just visited your website and how many people that make a purchase. Some people that can't make a purchase at a particular time, but that's the thing of only visiting your website, it can be future purchase, you never know. So this is, it's like increase more income to your website. So this is how people are making money on YouTube, and I saw a lot of people doing that, and really people accumulate a lot of leaders to their website, and this increase more income. So if you have a website, you have Shopify, you have everything, then this is opportunity for you to learn how to increase more sales. I know we have Facebook ads, Instagram, something like that, but also TikTok, we can do it on the live. You can just wonder, you have sold maybe 20 people that just buy, start people. It depends how many people are and how your product, how is your product. So yeah, something like that. Number 3 is growth channel and selling. This is the same as applied to Instagram before. People, they are making more money through this, and I did this on TikTok because I had 2 accounts before, so I did that and I successfully sold those 2 accounts. So now I have the new account. I don't have more followers. Please make sure follow me on my TikTok right now. So what is this? If there's more people asking to buy TikTok account, if you have at least 3k 2k something like that, people are gonna ask you, or if you have 10k or more than that, people they are really need this account, so they can just ask you and you can just sell them. And sometimes you can just announce, I'm now selling TikTok account, so you can just sell your TikTok account. You can make it good money. So if you know how to create those videos, you can go live. You know, TikTok is crazy. It's not like Instagram. It's just the matter of night. If you know how to create those contents, if you know how to dance, if you know to make people laugh, something like that, so probably you can be a famous in matter of time, and it just in a matter of night you can be famous. So it's very easy. So if you are more blessed to do that, then this is opportunity. You can just create accounts, more accounts, and whereby you can be doing that, and you can generate more amount of money by only selling those accounts to people. And I saw more people doing that. Even my friends, they are still doing this by selling TikTok account, the same as it was on Instagram. So this is a way whereby I can help you to make decent of money on TikTok. Number 4 is ads platform. So before you go to number 4, please, I just want to remind you, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Make sure you like it and make sure you drop comments right now. I appreciate everyone who come back to watch my YouTube channel. Thanks so much for your support. So for the number 4 is ads platform. As you know, we have Facebook ads, we have Instagram ads, so also we have TikTok ads. It seems like if you look to analytics, it seems people nowadays spend more time on TikTok, and it's more attractive to people, whereby people just stay more in TikTok. So this is going to be scaling social media to come. It can be more than Instagram, who knows. So this is time whereby you can go on Google and type TikTok ads, so you can just go there and create ads whereby you can generate more people to your website. You can increase some sales, the same as we do on Facebook, the same as we do on Facebook or on Instagram, the same thing like on TikTok. So we just need to have more platform whereby people just spend more time, where this could be more good to generate more income to your website. So you just need to go and create your own account so that you can attract more people to your website. So this can increase more your sales. This is how people are making money on TikTok, and more people become more successful. So you can use this platform to make money. It's not just posting them like that. This is opportunity, and we have to do that. Yeah. And the only thing that I need to talk about the TikTok is quite different with Instagram for this thing. Like when you post your video, it's gonna be there. Instead of Instagram, it's just 24 hours whereby it's gonna disappear. But on TikTok, all your video is gonna be there. So your previous video can generate more people. Even when you stop posting, once people watch your video, your previous video, and they like it, so they can generate more people. So that's why I think like TikTok is gonna be more good, and now like everyone is going to TikTok. So make sure you do that to generate more people to your TikTok, to your website, from your TikTok to your website by creating ads. So you can just you can just have your own budget. Maybe you have to spend $30, you have to spend $20, $10. It depends with you. Then it depends with your budget and what exactly you wanna target. So that's how. Number 5 is management. So this is needed some skills, especially there's those people who are more skills on social media. They know how to make things go viral, and you have some skills in these things, then you can probably make it. So that thing is, you can have managed to somebody account, or you can just help them to make the account to go more viral, or their video to go more viral viral. So it depends you guys. If you come up with your agreements, then these people that are gonna pay you some decent of money, then you can just publish and make the video to have more viewers. So that is how people they generate money. Some people they just need to have, yes, to have more viewers, to be popular like that. So if you have this craze and you can do that, or if you have this experience before on Facebook or Instagram, then you can just shift it to TikTok. And I have my friends who didn't do that, so I can just pay those money and they can just make you go viral. So that is how people they are making money on TikTok. So there are 5 ways where you can use to make money on TikTok. So if you have been in TikTok and you didn't understand how to make money through TikTok, how this video gonna help you how to make money through TikTok. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you come back to watch more viewers. Visit my website www.makemoneyonline.com to support me by buying t-shirts, buying anything we ship worldwide. I appreciate everyone. Thank you. See you to another video.